Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to connect an Amazon Alexa Echo Dot using an iPhone. First, take your Amazon Alexa Echo Dot and plug it into a power socket. Wait for a few seconds. When you see an orange light on the Echo Dot, it means the device is ready to set up. If you don't see an orange light, press and hold the action button until the light turns orange. Now open the Amazon Alexa app on the phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Now look at the top, tap on the plus icon, then tap on device, choose Amazon Echo, then select Echo Dot. The app will now ask you to connect to Wi-Fi. Select your home Wi-Fi network, enter the Wi-Fi password and tap connect. Wait a few seconds while the Echo Dot connects to the internet. When you see setup complete, your Echo Dot is ready to use. And that's it, you have successfully connected your Echo Dot using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.